Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And don't forget to hit the like button so that I know that you like what I'm doing. Alright, so today's video is going to be Instagram chose my. So if you're interested in seeing what Instagram chose me to plan, then stay tuned. On Instagram, I asked whether or not I should use a kit, one of these kits, or if I should use a sticker book, and you guys chose this kit, and this is from Print Petticoat Bandit, so we're going to be using this kit. I also asked if you guys wanted me to use washi or no washi, and you chose washi, so I'm going to try to incorporate some of this Simply Gilded washi into it because I felt like it was white and it would go with the theme. And then I asked what planner I should use. Should I use my Erin Condren or my Happy Planner? And you guys said Happy Planner, so we're going to use the Happy Planner horizontal. I did have a vertical one that's neutral, but I want to challenge myself to use a vertical kit in my horizontal, so that was something different. And then I asked you guys if you wanted me to use the pen gems or use my colorful pens, and you guys said use colorful pens. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to incorporate the colorful pens into here, but I'm going to try my hardest to work in some browns and maybe some, I don't know, I still have my Papermate brown pen here, so I might try to incorporate that one in there. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching and we'll go from there and see how I put everything together.
All right, you guys, so I am loving this kit. It's just like so bomb, and I'm so glad you guys chose me to use a kit because it's having me to just kind of think outside the box and try some different things. So I'm laying down my Simply Gilded washi. I was trying to decide how I was going to cut it or put it down. I decided to white out that bottom line because it was definitely shining through and I did not want that. I used my slice to cut that, and I ended up cutting through the paper, so that's kind of funny. I was like, oh, my bad, whatever. So then next I'm just going in and I'm looking for the date covers. I wanted to put the date covers down. They are kind of big. Again, these are made for the vertical and not the horizontal, so it does take up quite a bit of space, but I figured that might be a good thing because again, I was challenging myself to see how I could use the space in the horizontal. So now I'm just going to be going in with some of the bottom washi, and I liked this one because I just thought it was cute, and then I wanted to put down the other side of it, but it just wasn't working on that left side of the planner, so I was like, forget this, I'm going to something else. So I decided to add the girl box sticker here. She's sitting on a bar stool. I just think this kit is just like amazing. It's so cute. And then I just added some of the washi, some of the thicker stripped washi, just to kind of give it a little background, you know, little layering. And then I saw that open gray space. I was like, it kind of goes, so I'll leave it for now. So I decided to go ahead and place all of the rest of the full boxes, which there were a total of 8, but you're gonna see me here trying to figure out how I can implement all of them with those date covers. I'm thinking maybe I should have put the date covers like stagger step them so that I could have used all of the boxes, but I just didn't think that far into it. But maybe next time I'll try to do that with the next kit. So I'm just adding those day dots down on there, and I like placing them above it instead of next to it. I don't know, it just gave it a little pizzazz, just gave me something to do and be extra, because y'all know I'm just a little bit on the extra side. So I took that weekend banner sticker and stuck it up on Friday, because y'all know I feel like my weekend starts on a Friday, okay? And then I decided to put down the habit trackers down in the notes section, and then I started working with the lists, and they were like the bow lists. And I was so confused about where I should put them, if I even needed to put them. I don't know. I wanted to kind of use as many stickers as possible. So I did use those. And then I cut the one on Friday. I cut that down, and then I decided not to use it because it just didn't look good. Like, I just wasn't about that life. So I decided to start doing some more layering, and you're going to see me here tearing up stuff because I couldn't figure out what size the box was and how to make it fit on the washi. Look at it. Just look. Then I ended up breaking it. It's so funny. Babe was like, I knew you were going to do that. So then I decided to get the tweezers out and start using the tweezers and quit playing with my life. So that is what I did for that box. And then I decided to put another one. Oh, I was out of frame and I got it right this time, putting that one over in the corner. And then now I'm just going in and adding some of the deco. I was trying to figure out where I wanted to add her at, but I just thought this deco was just too cute to pass up. And I wanted to really just use, like I said, use as many stickers as possible. And those were those little coffee stickers on the side. Oh, I just adore them. I was going to make a list out of them, but I figured it'd be cuter as deco. And it did. It ended up looking really, really cute as deco. So now I'm just figuring out what to put right there to kind of fill in that little gray spot. I was like, that's not gonna work. That color's not matching. Oh, this one's not matching. None of the colors matched it. Like, it was just really weird. So I was like, forget it. I'm just going to add a little piece of deco there to kind of fill it in, and that actually worked. So yeah, everything was looking good. I was feeling where I was at. And then I was like, okay, I want to use these different colors since we said we were going to use the color pens. And I grabbed the brown. Now, I thought this brown was going to be a go-go, and it was a no-go. It was just too bold for the kit. Like, I wanted it a little bit softer, and it wasn't. So there's that. Okay, so for Monday, I wanted to finish up some new designs that I'm working on for my shop. I'm actually getting back into new designs and things like that. I wanted to work on a flyer and do some recordings and find some home workouts. Like, I'm really, really interested in finding some home workouts. And then it was my friend Bree's birthday. I was trying to figure out like which pens I should use again. Like, I was like, oh, I'll just use this one, and that didn't work out. So I started using this like grayish brown one, and that one was perfect. But since I had already written in the brown one, I was like, okay, I'll just stick to every other one. And you're gonna see that in just a second. So on Tuesday, I just wanted $2 Tuesdays. I had Zumba. I needed to get some gas, so I wanted to make sure I did that. I do not like backtracking, so I made sure that I kind of planned out my Tuesdays so that I would be getting gas. So anyways, you saw me trying to figure out between using that green one and that light purple one. Bae said he liked the light purple one better. I chose the green just because of that little greenery in that full box down below. I don't know, I guess I'm just kind of weird like that, but whatevs, that's what happened. So then I tried using the army green pen you're gonna see here after I put down these music notes, and it just was not working. Like, it just didn't flow with the scheme of things the way I thought it would. And so Bae said, just don't use it, just use it on the sides and then go back to using the other one. So that's how I decided to alternate. So on Wednesday, I just wanted to upload a video. I wanted to file my windshield report because my windshield is actually cracked and it's disrespectful right now, and I need to get that corrected. I wanted to edit some videos, and then I also wanted to work on my stuff for Instagram because I have a challenge coming up on Thursday, as you can see, and I wanted to work on my blog post. So on Thursday, I have the social media challenge starts. I need to design some things and then just work on some orders. I go to the nail shop at 6, my standing appointments. I can't wait to get my nails done again. I don't know, I'm excited. She just like makes me excited about getting my nails done all over again. So on Friday, I was asked to do some makeup for one of the young girls that goes to my church. I'm going to do it for her headshots, for her senior heads. I think that's what it's called. And then I just wanted to make sure I design and post my new releases that I came up with. And then I needed to ship some orders on Friday for sure because I had some come in. And then I'm going to a party with my friend Corey. I don't know if you guys have met him yet. He'll probably be on my channel really soon. He is a ball of fun. I just absolutely love him. But yeah, he asked me to go to this party with him, so I'm going to be going with him on Friday. We're gonna see how this goes. I got my outfit picked out and everything, but y'all know how that goes when you got something planned and then you go and try it on. It don't be how it's supposed to be. And so anyways, on Saturday, I'm having a Black women who plan to create brunch in Memphis at the HM Lounge. I'm so excited. It's going to be so, so good. And if you guys are in Memphis, make sure you come out and join me. And then there's Jay's birthday party, and we have to bring paper goods and $7 per family because it's going to be like a fish fry and stuff like that. But it's going to be a good time. I think I'm going to get paid on Saturday because the 15th falls on the Sunday. So yeah, I put that payday sticker down, and I want to go grocery shopping on Saturday as well. Naturals in the City is having their brunch on Sunday from 12 to 3, and then I have to be at Rust College at 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. Yeah, at 4 p.m. for some stuff for church. And then Bae said we're going to have a date night. So I'm excited.
All right, you guys, so here's my completed spread. I actually like it a lot more than I thought I was going to. It made me step out of my box and trying to create things. I can't wait to see like how I can kind of move things around again. I love the Simply Gilded washi that I use down here. Hopefully I get a chance to use some more of it. I don't know, I'm trying not to hoard it. The pens that I used were the Big Intensity pens from the 20 pack, and I really like these. Y'all saw me like struggle using that one. I thought that was kind of funny, trying to figure out how to use that green. I was trying to match all the colors of these coffees up here. I don't know, y'all know I'm crazy. So anyway, so here's all the pages I had left in the from the kit, and it's actually a whole nother sheet that I did not print off because I just don't use those stickers at all, so I didn't opt to print them off. But yeah, anyway, so this is the completed spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!